I just want to document the tolerance. I'm curious how the basket looks. Cheers, guys. Took out the BFA clutch after 2 test rides with max 50 kilometers in total. And why did I take it out? I saw pictures of damaged clutch baskets. And indeed, the linings are already eating the basket. And that's a bit much for a 750 euro clutch, high end. Look at that, all over. I got one with 140 kilometers where it really was already inside. Anyways, doesn't matter. I'm prepared. Private guys did quickly realize a new small production series for the better basket, and 99 gram, 270 gram, 2.7 the weight. That's proper steel according to current state-of-the-art standards, and I'm gonna exchange this basket with the better one. Curious what Zip is gonna do. I just recently saw these days that they changed the basket. So the big question is now, I mean, 750 bucks, and you can buy it separately. It's included in the big BFA kits. If Zip is gonna exchange the weaker basket, because they stated tolerances were made smaller and the material got hardened. You can see that later on in the video. Tolerances are quite big when the clutch is mounted. So there was a need for technical improvement. Big question is if the guys who own the version 1 do get a better, stronger clutch basket for free. Kind of a product recall action. We will see what Zip is gonna do. What is your guess? Let's stay positive. Cheers, guys. To show you the big difference regarding material quality. That's the original basket, 99 gram. And that is FGR Racing Team. It has 266 grams, or 2.7 times heavier, even though exactly the same dimensions, measurements, shape. How difficult is it gonna be? Because these were mounted, of course, with screw lock to reopen them. Let's see. I'm gonna go into music mode. Jeez. Screw lock definitely works. You just have to push a lot of pressure onto it, because if you one time slide out of the screw and it is damaged, then it's gonna be tricky. Just push hard down and it will then open. You see, it works and it's really needed. The only difference between the light one and, I mean, thanks mate, it's a small series. 10 pieces were made because the seller, oh, what's written here? SIP, what's that? Yeah, 99, and now I got 520. Before it was with this light basket, it was 355. 1353 with the pressure plate, the bearing 1387. It's a little bit less than the PX one, PX version. It is 1344. Ooh, that is perfect. With the heavier basket now, we do have on both sides, clutch, both sides of the crank, clutch and stator, approximately the same grams. That is good. Clutch mount, we have that way heavier, 2.7 times heavier clutch basket, and we want to see if it stripes on the primary, and it does not. This is fine. Family's coming, cycling with a boy. Cheers, guys. So it's important to tighten the screw nut after you put the clutch lid on. Look up the guide in my videos.